Absolutely, let's delve even deeper into the fascinating realm of phonetics and explore the multi-faceted concept of places of articulation. Places of articulation are pivotal in understanding the intricate mechanism underlying, underlying speech production. They denote specific anatomical locations within the vocal tract where various articulators including the tongue, lips, and palates come into contact or approximate each other to modify the airflow and generate distinct sounds, beginning with a bilabial, bilabial position where both lips come together. We sound encounter sound such such as pa, pa, ba, pa, ba, and ma. These sounds are characterized by the closure or near closure of the lips, which alters the airflow and results in phonetics distinctions. Processing along the vocal tracts, we encounter the alveolar ridge, a prominent landmark just behind the upper front pitch. This region is the critical for producing sounds like T, day, and is, where the tongue makes contact with or approaches the alveolar ridge. The precise, the precise positioning of the tongue in relation to the alveolar ridge con- contributes sign- significant, significantly to the clarify and differentiation of these sounds. Contu- Continuing our journey, we arrive at the velar position, where the back to the hand contacts of, a approximate the south pole fairly. Here, sounds such such as K and G, J are produced with various variations in airflow and tongue placement, contributing to phonemic phonemic distinctions. Beyond the velar position, we encounters less common places of articulation, including the uni, uh, uvular and pharyngel regions in language.